Notion recently came out with a feature that is already changing the way we work at Magic Design, especially when it comes to our blog posts and landing pages and providing feedback to each other. So the feature is called Suggested Edits, and I want to show you how it works in this very short video. As you can see here, I have my blog post open. It's a blog post draft. And let's say I want to give feedback to the person who wrote it. What previously would have been the case is I would have added comments. So I would have just selected the text and clicked comment and then added delete this part. Or I hope you don't give feedback like that. That would be mean. But yeah, I would add comments to the text, and then the person can either resolve the comment and not do anything, or resolve the comment and then delete the part, adjust the text basically. What you can do now is you can select text and then you can click on this icon here, suggest edits, and now you are in the suggesting edits mode. So what I can do is, it's like in Google Docs, I guess. You can just select text you want to remove and just remove it, and then it appears as a suggestion to remove this text, and the person who wrote the post can accept the suggestion or reject it. If they accept the suggestion, this text will be deleted. It's amazing. I think this is so great. Let's say I remove this text and I write the new text, and it gets added as a suggestion as well. So this is the suggestion of what I would write, and then this is the text I removed, I guess, or I would suggest the person deletes. This can also be done, with headings as well. You can make a heading bold. It suggests that you bold the heading. This is super useful not only for blog posts, but also for any of your Notion documentation, SOPs, for example, that are outdated, because your colleagues might notice something and now they can suggest that you edit something in the text that is outdated, for example, and they don't have to leave comments that might get ignored or resolved without changing something. This is just a very amazing feature. I think that will help us and everyone in the world so much. It's also amazing if you're working with freelance editors and they can just add suggestions instead of rewriting your whole text, and you see at a glance where you want to accept the suggestion or where you want to reject it. Try it out. I hope you have tried it out, because I think this is amazing, like I said many times in this video, and let me know if you're using this feature. Bye, hope this helped.